How does this system work, and how does it help you to stop struggling to get signups online? Anyone who joins our team will be added to our free advertising rotator. We give away traffic and signups. How? It's because you're plugging into something that's already working. Our team is sharing over 40,000 hits a week. We have real people seeing our pages, and we share our traffic and signups. Okay, now you need to watch this video to show you how you're going to be able to make money online with this. This is an incredible company. Okay, and the next steps after that are just simply choosing which button to sign up from, and then to watch from my welcome email. Okay, core benefits of the system is that you don't need tech skills. It's all been set up for you. You can leverage our team traffic and share in the traffic and the signups. All you need to do is choose, if you're coming in at the basic level, which is $10, it's the red rotator. Okay, a rotator is just simply one link, and then you have other people's links on it, signups links on it. When people clicks this red button, a member's sign up link comes up. Say Sue's sign up links come up. Somebody else clicks that red button, now Jim's sign up link comes up. So you would be added to this rotator, to this link. Okay, now you join at premium, then you would click this one. Okay, there's a lot less people on this one, so your chances of getting a sign up when people join through premium are much better. Okay, and you would be added to this, the green rotator, and you would be added to this red rotator. So that's two rotators right here if you joined through premium. So that's more traffic, more exposure you'd be getting. Okay, now with the welcome email, that's very important. Okay, I can show you right here that this system converts, this works. These are signups. And you can see they're June and May, and we just started July right here. Okay, and there's another snapshot of the traffic right here, and of signups and testimonials. Now when my welcome email comes in, it has a 7-day traffic plan that only takes you 5 to 10 minutes a day. Okay, it actually has another rotator on there where you can join and sign up for that rotator too. That's from my upline, Mark. Okay, now you don't have to do anything with that. Just send him an email and he adds you to the rotator. The instructions are on the welcome email, so you need to watch for the welcome email. Okay, also if you want to rebrand this whole system to yourself, you can. The share codes and instruction on training on how to do that are going to be there. Okay, or you can set up an appointment with me and I will do it for you for free. So come in where you fit in and join in and share in our team traffic and signups today.